Hey baby girls, today I'm going to show you how to do a back wax. These are the products we're going to need. Some waxing strips, plenty of spatulas, a box of tissues, some pre-waxing lotion, an after wax soothing lotion, some aloe vera to soothe the skin, my favourite waxing oil to unstick my hands, tweezers for any missed hairs, and let's not forget our pot of wax. Today I'm using a gel wax by Salon System. The consistency wants to look like this. And if you like consistency, please subscribe to my channel so you never miss another video. First, I start off by using some couch roll to protect the client's clothes and stop any wax from flicking onto the trousers. I then analyse which direction the hairs are growing in so I know where to apply my wax. Ollie's hairs are growing in the typical way the back hairs usually grow. This is an easy back wax. So we need to make sure there is no natural oil sitting on the skin. So to do this, I use a cleanser and clean the whole back. Once the back is dry, I then pick up my first spatula and start at the bottom of the back using this motion. Make sure you're applying your wax in the same direction of the hair growth. Apply nice and thin using a fresh spatula each time you dip. I keep going with the wax until I get to the top of the back where the hair switch direction. Using my paper wax strip, I apply firm pressure and pull off in the opposite direction of the hair growth. If this happens with the wax, just go back over the area with a little more pressure, it'll come straight off. I then work my way up the back, making sure I pull the skin taut and pressing on the freshly waxed area to minimise the sensitivity of their nerve endings to reduce that after sting. This really does help the client. I refresh my waxing strips whenever I feel it gets a little too thick. Once that side is all removed, I move towards the middle, again applying my wax in a similar motion. If you have larger waxing strips, you can sometimes include this section in the first lot of wax. But if you're a beginner and cautious of flicking wax everywhere, this method will work well for you. If you feel your hands beginning to feel sticky, pop a splash of after wax oil over your gloves and this will make your hands feel fresh again. I then go back in with a fresh strip and remove the middle section of the hair. I'm just going to take away those hairs at the bottom of the back just to tidy that line up. Look how clean and smooth this section now looks. So onto the opposite side. As you can see, the hairs are growing in the opposite direction. So we will apply the wax in the same direction of the hair growth, and this time I'm going to stop halfway up so I can clean up those edges. Using a fresh spatula, I return to where I left off and work my way up to the top of the back. You can see I'm bending and curving my spatula round to follow the hair direction. This will help prevent any ingrown hairs and it'll give a smoother finish. Using a fresh strip, once again, I pull off in the opposite direction of hair growth, moving my strip to work with the hair pattern. So if you have a beauty couch that has a face hole, this works amazing for the tops of the shoulders. If like me you don't worry, you can ask your client to turn their head to ensure you get all those creases and crevices of the back. Also, having their arms by their side also helps you get a smoother application and removal when waxing that area. Using firm pressure for the last time, I go ahead and remove the wax with my paper strips. This area can be most sensitive, so try and hold the skin after to reduce that sting and pain. Just look how smooth Ollie's back looks. It looks amazing. Any rashes post-waxing will reduce as the day goes on. Make sure to give your clients great aftercare. This will ensure the best results and will prevent any folliculitis. I then soothe the whole back with aloe vera. There you have it, from start to finish, a full back wax. Thanks so much for watching my back wax tutorial. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!